Introducing the 2019 Toyota Corolla. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, pass-through rear seat. Feel the satisfaction that comes with choosing quality and efficiency. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.